Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create Python project student registration form. So this is going to be a Python Tkinter project. So before getting started, make sure to install VS Code and Python. So if I type cmd and type Python, I can see my Python version. So make sure to install Python and make sure you have the Python version greater than 3.8. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open XAMPP control panel. I'm using XAMPP, and make sure to start Apache and Mysql. So once you do that, just click on admin. So I'll quickly create the database and table in phpMyAdmin. So just click on new, then SQL. So I have the code for SQL, and I will provide everything in my GitHub. So I'll just copy and paste here. So now you can see, so I'm going to create database, name is SchoolDB. So I'm going to use SchoolDB, and this is the table students. So just select everything and then click on go. So now you can see Mysql returned empty result, query to this seconds. So now we have the database SchoolDB. If I expand, I can see the table name students. So if I click on the structure, I can see all the fields here. So once you are done with database, just minimize. Then you must install the connector. This is the command for installing the Mysql connector Python. Just open cmd and type pip install mysql connector Python. Press enter. So once you do that, just close, then go to your PC. Once you go to PC, then just go to any drive. So I will go to F drive. Just go to F drive and create a folder here. So I will name this school. Go inside the folder, right click, open with code. So now you can see we have the folder school. Now you have to create a file. So you can see here new file. Just click on new file and name it registration. So you have to type .py. Now you have to put the code here. So I have the code, so no need to worry. I am going to provide the source code in my GitHub. This is my code. I will select all and copy and paste here. So now here you can see host will be localhost, user is root. Password I'm not using any password, so I don't have any password, so I'm going to just keep it blank. So now you can see the database. So database, if I go to my phpMyAdmin, I can see my database is SchoolDB. This is the database SchoolDB. So you have to mention the database here, SchoolDB. So once you put the code, just click on file and then save all. Now you must click on new terminal and then you will type Python space then the file name registration .py, press enter. So once you do that, you are going to see a form. It says student registration form. So you can see full name, gender, email, phone, DOB, password, address, department. So if I select computer science, so I will get a list of options for course. Let's say diploma CS, certificate in Python, certificate in Java, JavaScript. So I'll give a full name. Let's give a full name first, and gender I will select male, so I will give a email. I will give a phone, let's say +1234. Date of birth, it is in year, month, day format, so I will give in this way. Password I will give 1234. Address, let's give address in London. Now department, computer science, course, certificate in Python. So when I click on submit form, so I can see student registered successfully. It's showing success message. Okay. So now I will go to my database and click on students. So when I click on students table, I can see my data. So full name, gender, email, phone, DOB, password, address, department, course. So in this way you can create student registration form. Let's create more. Now let's give password 123. So if I click on submit form, you can see password required minimum 4 characters. So I have to use 4 characters. So in this way you can create student registration form using Python Tkinter. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch more videos.